Hello guys, so picked up this van for a 4-day trip in Kauai. I'm gonna explore Kauai in this van for next 4.5 days. It's gonna be fun, and I'm here to take you guys with me and show you some of the most coolest places on the island. So I'm at Anini Beach right now for the morning sunrise. I just parked next to the beach right here. Currently, I'm in front of an old mill here in Kauai. It's pretty famous. There have been a lot of songs that have been like shot on this. The last song I remember is "Line of Sight" from Odessa. That's been shot here. So I just wanted to check it out. It's pretty cool. It's closed. I can't get in. I think I can get in, but I don't want to get in. I don't know. Do I want to get in? That's the question. I'm near Waimea Canyon State Park, and I just found these pretty falls on these Brad Canyons. Looks so amazing. So I am at Kalua Lookout near Nepali Coast Wilderness area. This is one of the most famous areas in the world. It's really remote, and the only way you can go in there is by a helicopter or a boat, or there's a hike that's only done by a permit that's 30 days in advance. There are like waterfalls right there. It's so beautiful. Great, amazing views, and you can see the beach where they go to camp down right down there. So you're here on top of it, so you don't miss much. And I see helicopters down here, so I don't think helicopters show you much more. So this is one of the good hikes to do. For day 3 I'm headed down from Koke State Park. This is like on the top of Kauai, so it's very remote. So now head down to Waimea Canyon State Park again. See some spots that I missed while coming up. Here at Waimea Canyon State Park on day 3. If you are coming here, you don't have to stop at the canyon lookout and pay $10 or $15 for it. You can literally come down, I think less than a mile down there, and then there are like so many stops where you can have incredible views like this. Came down to North Shore to Hanale just to have some food and stuff, and saw this waterfall at the back. So beautiful out there. Hiking up to Sleeping Giant East Trail. It's not the easiest hike. It's like really humid, and I went wrong way somewhere. There was like a steep incline and there was no way out, so I had to come down the same incline, like in a decline. That was pretty hard.
North Shore. It's one of the most beautiful beaches I've been here. It's like, it's not the best, there's some rocks there. It feels like a little feisty, but the sand is super soft, super soft, and it's just beautiful out here. You can see the lighthouse behind me. I love North Shore way more than the South Shore. South Shore is more touristy, more crowded. North Shore is, I think, more, it's all, like, I felt the same in everywhere, like in Oahu, Big Island, and now in Kauai, that North Shores are better. So if you're planning a trip to Kauai, try to have more stuff towards like North Shore, and the beaches on the North Shore are beautiful. Tunnel Beach, the Secret Beach, Analea, Pier, Anini Beach. Every beach is beautiful in North Shore. Like it's beautiful, less crowded. You can sleep anywhere. We're sleeping at Anini Beach. I think I'll sleep tonight again at Anini Beach. I can see sunrise and sunset there. Well, some of you guys asked me to give a van tour. That's my seat here. There's other seat. This is my bed. It's like a queen size bed, which is pretty nice. Honestly, this bed is really good. I've slept like very comfortably all 3 days. There's a small AC that doesn't work. Here's a stove, and it's like a small kitchenette area with all the utensils and stuff. Stove's pretty good. And then I have a mini fridge that doesn't work either. It's a storage compartment. Here is like the power thing, like batteries, where I can charge my stuff. It's pretty good. It's a solar, so it charges pretty nicely, and it's been very sunny because I am in the island. So last day in Kauai, headed back to the Airbnb to return my camper van, and then back to the airport. Last 5 days have been amazing. I couldn't have asked for more. Got stuck here today. I wanted to go back, but the road was closed. They are opening at 9:45. It's 9:40 right now, so I'm going back now to go back there. Hopefully everything is cool. I can return this at 11, go back and take my flight. And there are these chickens everywhere. Everywhere. Yo, chickens! What you doing? Why are you running? Yo, chickens!